In this video, we will check out 3 phrasal verbs, like check out, and briefly look at the difference between a phrasal verb and a verb. Plus, there are also practice PDF downloads for you to view at the end of this video. This video is a short lesson with 3 phrasal verbs in a little story to help you understand when to use them. Short story. This morning, Tina and her friends decided to get together and plan their vacation. So, what is get together? Can you guess from the sentence? Here is an example dialogue between friends. Hey, we haven't seen each other for years. Why don't we plan to get together? We usually use getting together as a social meeting with friends or family. You could plan to get together with old college friends. Story continued. This year, they worked hard to earn enough money to go on vacation and now look forward to relaxing at the beach. Can you guess the meaning of looking forward to? Relaxing at the beach? Looking forward to something is like looking toward an event in the future, such as a yummy, delicious meal or a meeting with friends and family. Story continued. They talked about getting away for many months and are excited that they can finally travel together. Is the meaning obvious in getting away? When you want to get away, you want to escape a situation or change your environment to one with a less stressful atmosphere. For example, do you want to get away from the city for a while? How about going to the countryside? If you are still wondering about the difference between a verb and a phrasal verb, this is the short version, like this. Let's look at the verb to bring. Please bring your backpack to school. The meaning is apparent and straightforward. Now, let's try a phrasal verb. Today's lesson is about phrasal verbs. Bring it on. And here, bringing it on means it's very exciting or challenging. Or, let's do it. Bring it on. The phrasal verb emphasizes a reaction or emotion or both. So in conclusion, the verb has its limits in meaning until you add another adverb, preposition, or both. You can see the value of a phrasal verb. It can bring more direct meaning to our reaction or emotion and be more to the point that somebody is making, especially in a dialogue. If you want to learn more effectively and get more from these lessons, here's a suggestion. Grab a pen and paper, pause the video, and then try to figure out the sentence's meaning. Then hit play. More videos on phrasal verbs are coming soon, but if you want to expand your other language skills, check out more videos here.